At the Institute of Automatic Control, we're trying to improve university-level programming exercises by using artificial intelligence. Programming exercises are a central component of educating future engineers. They help students apply theoretical knowledge in practice as part of their studies. However, there are often not enough tutors to answer all questions during the exercise time slots. In addition, students would like to have more flexible studying hours. With our project on AI-assisted programming exercises, we're developing an AI tutor that supports students anytime. What makes our solution special is that the AI tutor analyzes not only the code, but also the results of the programming tasks. This preserves alternative and creative solutions. Students receive instant, adaptive, and repeatable feedback. Anyone who gets stuck will gradually receive exactly the support they need. This creates a learning environment that makes programming easier to understand and reduces the workload for tutors without replacing them. During face-to-face sessions, they can then address more complex questions from students.